disappointing amount of snow we've seen so far on the season for a lot of snow lovers and for a lot of us when we're expecting a lot higher numbers through this point in the season on average. But we're only at an inch here in Lincoln, an inch also down toward Omaha. There we see it. Omaha with Grand Island faring just a little bit better, but not by much. We're looking at almost 3 inches over that way, about 2.8 officially on the season, but normal numbers through this point in the winter are almost about 10 inches for Lincoln, 10.5 for Grand Island and Omaha. So each location is running at least 8 to 9 inches below average in terms of snowfall so far in the winter season. Now, throughout history, we're actually tied for the second lowest amount of snow through this point in the season ever, tied with that 1996 and 97 season, if you remember that. And this is also comparable recently in history to also 2 years ago, 2022 to 23, when we were only about 1.5 inches on the season. So very low numbers in terms of the snow so far for us here in Lincoln. And in fact, the recent signs of winter has really just been frost in the morning after a clear night. You see that very well on the windshields in the Honda of Lincoln parking lot over at South 27th and Yankee Hill Road. Clear skies out there in Lincoln and areas in northeast Nebraska, allowing those temperatures to fall to the single digits, but positive numbers here early, barely in Falls City at 1 degree, 4 in Columbus, 5 in York, and some teens out toward Hastings and Hebron with a little more cloud cover out this way. Winds are around 10 miles per hour, if not less. They're only about 5 miles per hour here in Lincoln, up to 12 miles per hour in Omaha, but a far cry from yesterday, and we'll have a lot less wind throughout the day today. Wind chills are around 2 below here in Lincoln over toward Aurora and Grand Island, up to 10 below though in Nebraska City, 13 below now in Falls City. There's a look at a little bit of cloud cover that there is south of the area, but mostly clear skies for most of the state. That'll lead to a lot of sunshine today, further melting by a little bit as temperatures warm just above freezing by 1 degree or so here in southeast Nebraska. And then you'll see a few flurries can't rule out as clouds increase for northern Nebraska first. Some of those clouds will increase further south tonight. Can't rule out a late flurry with a few more snow showers in northern Nebraska, but then clearing into tomorrow morning. So we're looking at a cold couple of days early this week. Temperatures dip a little bit on Tuesday, back up near normal and a little warmer than normal on Wednesday. But look at the end of this week. 40s, we'll enjoy that, but it will be short-lived as that Arctic air comes plunging in over the weekend. Cold by MLK Day next week.